Hello everyone. How many of you check your phone first thing in the morning or the last thing in the night? I used to do it, and I'm sure a lot of you could relate to that. Number two, how many of you check your phone a lot or you feel you're spending too much time on your screens? I'm sure you can relate with this as well. And I'll be really frank and I'll be vulnerable and I'll say I sometimes still struggle with it. You must be thinking that you're the only one. Don't worry, it's not just you. To give you some statistics, 73% of Indian smartphone users feel that if their smartphone usage continues at the same rate or grows from where it is right now, it will affect their physical and mental health. It's how bad it has become. So majority of us have an unhealthy relationship with technology, and we are facing this epidemic right now. So I'm here to give you one big solution which will transform your life and which will help you have a healthy relationship with these screens around you. This one big solution is called daily digital detoxing. Let me repeat that. Daily digital detoxing. By definition, daily digital detoxing means unplugging from technology for a particular period of time in a day. So, I've been practicing daily digital detoxing for the last 1 year. And what I do in this daily digital detoxing is what my routine is. I unplug for around 11 hours from around early night to mid morning. That's how my general routine looks like. And instead of screens, what I do in this time is I read books, I write gratitude, I spend good quality time and energy with my relationships. I do physical exercise, I do meditation. So, this is what I generally do in that time. And this has genuinely transformed my life, physically and mentally as well. This has really transformed and impacted my life. Now, you must be wondering, am I the only one who has benefited from this? But let me tell you, it's something that has benefited a lot of people. To give you some scientific research behind it or some statistics, people who did digital detox for a particular period of time reported an increase of more than 80% in their levels of happiness and the quality of sleep that they have. This is how transformative or impactful this technique is. This is how powerful it is, and it will transform your life. Now, I want you to start transform your life today itself. So, I want to give you one very small and tangible step which will help you start practicing daily digital detoxing. How many of you sleep with your phone in the night? I'm sure a lot of you can relate with that. So, starting today, I want you to start daily digital detoxing, and I want you to repeat after me. Today, I'll buy an alarm clock and I'll sleep with an alarm clock. When I mean an alarm clock, I mean something like this. This is something which has the power to transform your sleep. Because when you sleep well, you're going to be more productive, you'll have lesser levels of stress, you're going to be much happier, and there's a lot of scientific research behind that. So what this does is, when you sleep with an alarm clock, you're not going to wake up in the middle of the night to check your screens and distort your quality of sleep. So this is why this technique is really powerful. So my call to action to all of you is, today go buy an alarm clock and sleep with an alarm clock and transform your life. 500 odd rupees to transform your life. What's stopping you? Go and start working on it. This is what will transform your life, and I would love to hear about your transformative experience about this. Best of luck, and hope to hear from all of you soon. Thank you.
Join the Street to Change family.